Our production system is very much focused on efficiency, flexibility, and innovation. And regarding innovation, we are very much focused on speed and effectiveness. So when we reflect on increasing the level of digitalization or automation, we always focus on how can we improve our process in terms of flexibility, efficiency, quality, and so on.
It's again digitalization, but at a new level. We are talking of AI, we are talking of new systems being implemented, new fields of automation are opening. So the whole relevance of this era is, from our perspective, similar to what we've seen 50 years ago. And that's why we call it the Neue Klasse. It's just a symbol of the future.